Lithuania. The Republic of Lithuania is a country in Europe, on the southeastern coast of the Baltic Sea. The area is 65,300 square kilometers. Lithuania became a member of the European Union since 2004. Lithuania is a parliamentary republic. The president of Lithuania is Dalia Grybauskaitė. Dalia Grybauskaitė, the president of Lithuania, is the only woman who is elected for the second time among Vilnius, the capital of Lithuania and the largest city in the country. It is located in the southeast of the country at the confluence of the Neris and Vilnia. Vilnius is one of the most visited cities in Eastern Europe and draws attention not only because of its architectural style of Baroque, Renaissance, Gothic character, but also for a variety of business, entertainment, political and cultural meetings. Since it is a unique city, it was involved in the list of the most important world objects of UNESCO in 1994. The largest cities of Lithuania are Vilnius, Kaunas, Klaipėda, Šiauliai, Panevėžys. In 1989, the French National Geographic Institute researchers found that the geographical center of Europe is in Lithuania, kilometers to the north of Vilnius. The Mount Jurgaičiai, Domantai, is a famous and popular place as the Hill of Crosses. On the mount there are thousands of crosses, not only brought up from various places of Lithuania but also from abroad. There are about 2,000 crosses and 53 of them are inscribed in the cultural heritage. Although Lithuania is a small country, it is not only unique in its architecture, cultural meetings, but also in its variety of nature, plains, hills, a wealth of forests, lakes and swamps, the wavy Baltic Sea and white and sand dunes, the Curonian Split. The small region is also known as a basketball country. Lithuania basketball players have won a number of medals and awards. Pranas Lubinas, Arvydas Sabonis, Šarūnas Marčiulionis were well-known basketball players who proclaimed our country. Rūta Meilutytė is a famous Lithuanian swimmer. She became a record holder of women swimming in the country. Rūta Meilutytė is an Olympic, European and world champion. We are proud of being Lithuanians, and we have a wonderful homeland, its tradition, culture, customs and unique nature.